Today we're changing some filters. So a few questions. Why we need to change the filters and how to change the filters. Changing filters is fairly simple. The reason? Because they're dirty. So let's take a look. Here's our new filters to be replaced. And here is the existing filters. So why do we need to change them? Well, take a look for yourself. Existing filters, new filters. After a while, the filters get dirty. It'll stop the airflow, or if continued, allow harmful particles to get through. So how do we change the filters? Next question. Well, something locks the filters in place. In this case, these are the locking pieces. So we simply turn them to the side, and it allows us to remove the filter. There's usually two. Turn to the side, and there we go. The filter can be removed. When replacing filters, be very careful not to move them rashly because some of that dust could be released, and some of that dust may not be safe for you. So there we go. So we take that one out, and not much info is needed in replacing a filter, except make sure the airflow is correct. You want to make sure you put it in the right direction. Filters are made for a particular airflow, that way it can collect the dirt. Aside from putting the exact filter that you removed, the airflow is important. So there we got the arrow, and we put it in place. Lock it in place, and now we just lock it back in. The reason for these locks is that if the unit stops, then the filter becomes comfortable and they'll fall out, and then you'll have the unit running without filters. So there you go, we've changed that filters, and our goal now is to replace all 9 filters with clean new filters.